Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse for the radio on Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont. The same vehicle under two different names depending on where it was purchased. So, if you guys have a radio problems or the radio not working, always guys check that fuse. We're going to show you how to replace it now. Doesn't matter which radio unit you have, it might look different, that's what ours looks like, but we'll show you where the fuse is located now. So, we're going to go now to the passenger side, okay? And we'll show you where the fuse is, but in the meantime let me introduce you to the channel. We have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. This is an old radio that we have out of this car, and you can see there are no fuses or anything like that, okay, just the radio itself. So the fuse actually it's in the fuse box, okay, and this fuse box guys is underneath the glove box. You do not need to remove the glove box. Why we removed it? So we can gain just a little bit more room. So if you come right here in the corner, that's where your fuse box will be located. Okay, let me show you now. And you have that cover here usually. You pull that cover out, okay, and the fuse that we need to be checking out now is fuse number 128, 15 amp fuse. You have that puller in the fuse box, okay, that's the puller that we'll be using to remove the fuse. And let me show you where that fuse is now located. This is the third fuse, okay, right here, 1, 2, 3, that 15 amp fuse. That's the fuse that, okay, we'll be removing. So I'll just grab it with the puller, pull it out like that. Let me grab a new one guys, okay, and we'll replace it with a new one now. Also, you can check them, okay, by looking at the fuse. Okay, I'm trying to see. You can check the element, but I cannot focus with the camera if it's burnt or if it's not. Ours, okay, we just got a brand new fuse. So, all we have to do, okay, push it in place. So, perfect. That's where the fuse for the radio is, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.